multiple restaurant batching. Understand how multiple merchant pickups work with Uber Eats. Unlock the ability for you to pick up 2 orders from 2 different merchants on a single delivery trip. With multiple merchant pickups, you can earn double on promotions, do X, get Y, earn more out of a single trip, reduce your idle time, and deliver more. Understanding how a multiple merchant pickup works before you get on the road can make for an easier delivery experience for you. Let's get started. When you're receiving a delivery request for a multiple merchant pickup, you'll see the request has more than one merchant listed. Or if you're picking up an order on a single delivery request, you'll get a notification if there's another order at a new merchant location. Picking up your first order. You'll see the order number, order details, and the customer's name. Follow the map to navigate to your first pickup location. Before entering the pickup location, you can check for specific order details and pickup instructions in the app. After you've picked up the order, you can confirm that the order details match what's shown in your app. Tap the Next Pickup button to move on to your second pickup location. Directions to the second pickup location will show along with any specific pickup instructions. After you have gathered all the orders, you can start your delivery journey to your customers. Just like the current batched feature, you'll be able to start delivery upon collecting the final order. Once you've completed your first delivery drop-off, you can head to the second delivery location to finish your multi-merchant trip. Similar to orders from a single merchant, your fare for a multiple order trip is based on pickups, distance, and drop-offs. When you arrive at the drop-off location, your customer will get a notification that you have arrived. There are 3 types of drop-offs: leave at door, meet outside, or meet at door. You can verify in the app which option the customer chose and follow their directions for completing that type of drop-off. If you have contacted your customer via text or call, a countdown timer will start while you wait. Once that timer is up, and if you haven't been able to reach your customer, the app will provide instructions on what to do with the order. Finally, if you ever need support on a trip, you can reach out to our dedicated customer support team by tapping the menu icon, selecting help, and the issue you need help with. The best part? Completing a multiple merchant pickup trip will count as 2 trips, meaning you earn more compared to completing a single order trip. Congrats! Now you know the basics of a multiple merchant trip. Thanks for watching.